Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm pretty excited to share with you another brand new wireless microphone that you can use with your smartphone. This is LENSGO 518C. This wireless microphone is extraordinary designed to be used with either with Type-C port or the Lightning port. The one you see is for Lightning port. So basically you can use this wireless microphone for live streaming like on Facebook or YouTube. It's really light and convenient. Okay, so before getting into more details about this wireless microphone, let's check what's inside the box first. Okay, so this is the box, everybody. When you open the box, of course, you get, this is a manual, a quick manual where you can read it very quickly how to activate or how to use this wireless microphone. This is the instruction manual. For more details, you can check this. You also have a bag, small bag, you can put it later. And of course, it's here, yes, a charging case with, you have to open it like this. And then ta-da! It's nice. As you can see, it's really neat and looks beautiful. So we have two transmitters and a receiver where you can put it with your iPhone or iPad, this one. And this is the female Lightning port, meaning that you can use it with your phone and then you can charge your phone at the same time over here or through this port, okay? And in the box, you get extra protective case with different colors. So in order to take or to change this silicone case, all you have to do, just to do like this. Okay, and you get the LENSGO microphone and change to a different color. Put it like this. Wow, I've just got two different colors. The charging case comes with 240 mAh of battery. As you can see inside the case, there is a receiver and dual transmitters. Each transmitter is designed to be used up to 9 hours with only 2 hours spent for a fully charge. The signal to noise ratio is 96 dB with the frequency range from 560 MHz to 590 MHz. You can use this microphone up to 100 meters away from the receiver. Double click on the microphone is to activate the active noise cancellation. Okay guys, so this is the audio test. As you can see, now I'm using this LENSGO microphone. It's over here, and the other side is my ceramic wireless microphone. But the thing is that I'm using, for your information, I'm using the my iPhone 11 Pro Max to record this video because the LENSGO I'm using is for Lightning port. So I'm not quite sure whether the sound quality is acceptable, so you can be the judge, okay? But just for your information, I'm recording this video. I mean this section is right from the LENSGO microphone with my iPhone 11 Pro Max using the Filmic Pro, I'm using the Filmic Pro app to record this video because with the Filmic Pro you can adjust. You can select whether you want the built-in microphone on your smartphone or you want to switch to this wireless mode. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And for more information about this wireless microphone, especially about its price, check the link in this video description. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks.